to get from London to Edinburgh. Now, there's different ways. Train travel is actually the most popular choice. There's up to 63 trains daily between London's King Cross and Edinburgh's Waverley. Okay, and the average journey time is about 5 hours 20 minutes. The fastest trains complete the trip in just 4 hours and 11 minutes. Okay, there are direct trains available. Okay, so there's no stressful changes that are required. And these are some of the train operators and services. Each have a distinct travel experience and suits different preferences and budgets. So here are the prices as well. And if you're wondering about ticket prices, booking tips, then these are the advance fares you can expect. Booking window, try to book at least 3 months ahead for the best prices, because last minute fares, they can exceed over £90. There are discounts if you use rail cards, okay? And you can use booking apps as well for easy booking. And these are the departure and arrival stations. We have the London's King Cross, and we have Edinburgh's Waverley, okay? And if you are thinking about alternative travel options, you can do flights. This is actually the fastest travel time, 1 hour 54 minutes in the air. And bus is actually the cheapest option, offering around £25. But the journey is the longest here because it takes about 7 to 8 hours, depending on traffic. Or you can go for the overnight sleeper train. And this one, you just sleep at night, you get up, you're there, save on accommodation. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Frequently Asked Questions.